Hey everybody, I'm Brahm from Learn with Brahm, and I want to share a math puzzle with you. This was the 23rd question from the 2023 International Math Kangaroo Competition. It states that a rectangle with vertices 0, 0, 100, 0, 100, 50, and 0, 50 has a circle with center 75, 30, and a radius of 10 cut out of it. So what is the slope of the line through 75, 30 that divides the remaining area of the rectangle into two equal parts? You can pause the video here and try to solve it yourself. So for the solution, I made like a rough sketch of what it would actually look like. So you can see that this is on a coordinate system, like a Cartesian plane. And I labeled our points. So I have A, B, C, and D. So you can say A, B, C, and D, and it's labeled clockwise. And then you can see in this rectangle, we have this line that supposedly cuts it in half, which is why it's dotted. And it goes through this circle cutout, which with the radius of 10 and the center 75, 30. It's also important to know that if the line was cut something like this, then you could clearly see how the two parts wouldn't have the same area. So I made some more illustrations on this rectangle. So you can see where this line starts. I labeled it as the y-coordinate y1, so its point would be 0, y1. And at the top here where the line ends, I labeled it 100, 50 minus y1, because this length is y1. So the y-coordinate would just be 50 minus y1, which would bring us this point. But why is this length y1 and this length also y1? Well, you can clearly see that as I increase this side and I decrease the y-coordinate here, I increase and decrease it by the same distance to keep the area the same. And if I drag it all the way up, if I bring this all the way up, it would perfectly cut the rectangle. So as I decrease this y, I would need to increase that y on this side to make up for it. And that is the reason why the y1, why this is also y1. So to solve for the slope of this given line, we need to find the slope of this line and the slope of this whole line and then equate them together. So the first equation here, all I did was take this point and also take this point, and using the slope formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, we get this. 50 minus 2 times y1 over 100 is equal to the slope of this entire line. And for the second equation, all I did was take this point and find the slope. So that would be 50 minus y1 minus 30, which is the center of the circle, over 100 minus 75, which gives us 20 minus y1 over 25 is equal to the slope of this segment right here. But since we know that the slopes are equal, the slope has to be equal because the line is straight. So we can equate these two equations. So that would make 50 minus 2y1 over 100 equals to 20 minus y1 over 25. So this simplifies down here. I cross multiplied, and given all the way down here, we get 4y1 minus 2y1 is equal to 80 minus 50. And that will give us 2y1 is equal to 30, or y1 is equal to 15. So all this means is that this length here, this is equal to 15. So this dot right here, this would be 15. So all we need to do to get the slope is to substitute y1 back into one of the original equations. So I just decided to use this one. You can use the other one too. So after you simplify that, that gives you m is equal to 5 over 25, or 1/5. And that is the solution to this puzzle. I hope you found that as interesting as I did. Thanks for watching.